Hello, and welcome to a message from our friends in the mythical realm. I'm Sara Jane, and I have found that I am a voice for many mythical beings in the mythical realm that share messages through me. This particular message is from sunbirds. I don't know what's coming until it starts to come through me. So my suggestion is, if you've never watched these before, relax, close your eyes, because I'm going to close my eyes as I channel this message, and I hope you enjoy. Sunshine and smiles. But smiles don't require sunshine. They bring their own sunshine. When was the last time you really smiled? At yourself? At anybody else? At animals? At the beauty of the nature that surrounds you? The clouds? The sunshine itself? And when was the last time you had a really good laugh? Laughter brings even greater sunshine to your heart and to your soul. Let that sunshine into your life. Invite it in. Bring it in. Smile for no reason. Laugh for no reason. Especially when you're feeling hurt, upset, unhappy, angry. Let yourself smile and let yourself laugh. Laughter is a healing energy. And at the end of the day, there is a quote that says, "Laughter is a smile that bursts." Bring more of that into your life and into the lives of those around you. Smiling doesn't mean you aren't hurting. It just means that you are not letting the hurt control you. It doesn't mean your life is perfect. It just means that you are not allowing the current situation to control you. Sunshine has so many health benefits. And even if it is dull and cloudy outside, you can still bring the sunshine of smiling and laughter into your life on a daily basis. Be kind to yourself. Lift your energies with this internal sunshine, and you will feel better. You will cope better with the everyday things. You will realize that not everything is as serious as your mind is telling you it is. You are a beautiful being of light. Let that light shine from the inside out, rather than waiting for the sun to shine and bring it to you. Namaste. I hope that spoke to you. I hope that you will listen to the suggestions being made. Laughter and smiles, they do make life feel so much better. You can read this message on our magicalfriends.com website under the messages and wisdom. I think that's what it's called. It's a blog page anyway, but it doesn't say blog. It says messages and wisdom, I think. You will find this message. You will find messages from the crystals, dragons that guard over the earth's crystals, and from many, many other friends over a number of years. And please don't think because they are older, the messages, they are totally relevant when you find them. So if this is your first time of connecting with our mythical friends, and yes, the website is ourmagicalfriends.com, please don't dismiss previous messages. It is amazing how they can touch lives. Take care. Oh, and finally, I apologize. If you wish to receive PDF copies of the monthly messages as they are released, please sign up. There's a link on the website to do that. I will then send out once a month only, unless I forget the attachments, an email that has the latest magical friend, mythical friend message in it, and the previous month's message from the crystals dragons. Take care, be safe, stay well. See you again soon. Namaste.